A22. I got the gate rolling right about now, so you can check it out later when I get it loaded up there. Hey, 22 in your big red truck, yo, 351 in Florida with this New Year wave right back.
I appreciate it, 351. You're watching the videos. We're going to keep making some more. We're starting blowing some stuff up.
A whole lot of crazy video gates being rolled out there. Hey, 351, we'll see you. Old Phantom got down.
What kind of videos he's making?
You have to check it out there, Wolf. Hey, 22, you take care of that red Suburban, man. Real good copy and sounding good down here southeast corner. You take care. Yo, 351, waving and gone now.
Thank you, 351. Have a real good night.
Yeah, 351 T-Bucket does a pretty good video gates up here too, man. He's got good audio through his SDR, and I think he does a pretty good on-point job for sure. I'm not a big SDR video gamer, just a broadcaster. Hey, 351, we'll see you, Phantom calling.
Yeah, Phantom, I don't have no SDR or nothing like that, and my microphone's right on the camera, so it don't go through nothing, just straight out of the speaker right to the camera by the meter, so. But anyway, you can check it out on 351 Radio on YouTube. Y'all take care now. Have a great year. I'm gone.
Yes, sir. Right back at you, brother.